This is my collection. My name is William. What kind of monster truck is your favorite? I know what kind my favorite is. Max Destruction. I don't have all of the monster trucks though. I only have all of these ones, but all of my other ones are at home. So I only use Smoke Controls Mohawk. So because this guy's Mohawk was gone, I lost it. And here's a Terminator. My favorite. My most favorites is this one, Terminator.
Crusader.
Crusader. Here's a Gravedigger. He's one of my cleanest ones. See him? So this guy has red lights, and here is El Toro Loco. This guy's my favorite. He's one of the new ones. I even have 3, like all of them in their nose. Huh?
Show us all 3.
Okay, this one's Bulldozer. Is this one your favorite one yet? Yeah, I know. All of these ones. Backwards Bob. He's supposed to be backwards in my collections. And this one is Dragon. Aftershock. Team Hot Wheels. And here is, here is
King
Virginia
Crunch.
Giant and Inferno, another Inferno, another one. Here's
William, face me. Show me the.
Here is NEA Police. He's one of my favorite ones yet. Teenage Mutant Turtles. There's the Team Marvel's game again. King Crunch. And Son of a Digger. Dragon's Breath.
Show me the truck closer.
Gravedigger,
The Legend.
Gravedigger the Legend. And
Show the camera the truck.
Northern Nightmare.
Northern Nightmare. Yep. Crush Station.
Crush Station.
Crush Station.
Crush Station. And Bone Shaker. And Virginia Giant. Northern Nightmare. Mohawk Warrior. And Mohawk looks really big to you. And Zombie. Gravedigger Legend. And
Ford F-150 truck.
Or F-150 truck. Here's Nike Bite. And here's a whole truck. This is the red. This is the red El Toro Loco. He's my favorite. He's new. I didn't have this one for a long time. He's really new. Hey, wait. The wheels actually come off. See? All of them. That would look really funny. Okay, the video is done. That's all the monster trucks.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. See you later on the next video.